قيل كاستا أخرى نوكا كامنواتي جايكلخ يليس جايكلخ نمقيس hidden gukvali lach nalach stala, which is per McNeil. I'm trying to do this project with one of the workers, so we're going to go backwards just a little so you can hear it coming from other people also. We're going to try to go through each page almost daily when we have the time, okay? So, rewind, review, when to use the A line and the A. So the A line makes a sound, and the A makes an sound. Okay, so we're going to do a bunch of examples of when to use it. I'm actually going to have one of the workers do the same letters, and she'll be repeating after me. Okay, so is a shorter vowel. It sounded very quickly, and you can quickly go to the next syllable. So here's example 1. Kila, kila, kila. Gwa, 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 gwasu, gwasu. Sorry, I'm really challenged with these braces. Okay, the A, which is an sound, is a long vowel. It sounded slowly with almost a short pause after each Okay, so here's an example. Ba, 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 ba ba guam, ba ba guam, ba ba guam. And okay, here are an example back to back of the two different the A line and the A. Here are some examples and sample words. Okay, so naka, naka, naka means correct. Naka, naka, naka means to drink. Apa, apa, apa means to cut. Apa, 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 it means to gnaw. Apa, 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 it means to dip. Apa, 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 it means to scrub, scrubbing. Sapa, sapa, sapa means speeding. Sapa, 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 it means like skinning. If you have the syllable with you must always use the vowel A line, okay, which is an okay, so an, up, okay. So here are some examples. Gwayam, gwayam, gwayam. Num, num, num. Sisham, sisham, sisham. Tsum, 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 tsum. Olqua, olqua, olqua. Zahwin, zahwin, zahwin. Danchla, danchla, danchla. Puhwins, puhwins, puhwins. Angwa, angwa, Angwa. Shildayu. 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 If a word begins or ends with the vowel A, you must always use the vowel A. The vowel A. Okay, that's kind of straightforward. Okay, so ipa. 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 Isa. 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 Klikla. 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 Ayatsu. 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 Ake. 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 La croix. La croix. La croix. Amusa. 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 Alumas. 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 Kichalaka. 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 Shahwamala. 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 Lapa. 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 Naka. 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 Oh! Quite the tongue work early this morning. But anyway, have fun while you're learning. We are just trying to make things a little bit easier with knowing the differences and when to use the two different vowels. It seems really straightforward, but I have to like go backwards a little bit every now and then to figure out how to make things a lot easier for someone who's just learning language. Okay, so don't forget to use your accent when you're speaking, or it will not sound like Kwak. Okay, so have fun while learning.